Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
Have you ever considered cooking with soy chorizo? It's a truly fantastic plant-based protein, offering all the rich, savory, and slightly spicy flavor you love, but without the meat. This versatile ingredient makes a wonderful addition to so many different meals. It's also incredibly easy to find in most grocery stores, usually right there next to the traditional chorizo. Get ready to discover your new favorite plant-based staple. Cooking soy chorizo is incredibly simple. First, just squeeze it out of its casing into a hot pan, much like you would with ground meat. Then, use a spatula or spoon to break it up, stirring it around frequently. You'll want to cook it until it's beautifully browned and heated all the way through, which usually takes about 5 to 7 minutes. It's ready when it smells amazing and looks a bit crispy. Soy chorizo truly shines in classic Mexican-inspired dishes. Think flavorful tacos, hearty burritos, or even quesadillas. Simply add your cooked soy chorizo to warm tortillas, then pile on your favorite toppings like fresh salsa, creamy avocado, or crunchy lettuce. It provides such a satisfying, flavorful filling, and it comes together incredibly fast. This makes for an easy weeknight meal. Soy chorizo isn't just for dinner, it's also absolutely fantastic for breakfast. Try adding it to your morning egg scramble, or even a tofu scramble for a completely plant-based option. Just cook it up, then mix it in. It adds so much flavor and a wonderful kick to your breakfast. You can also use it in omelets, breakfast burritos, or simply alongside some crispy potatoes. It's a delicious and satisfying way to start your day. A couple more quick tips. If you prefer less spice, you can always drain off any excess oil after cooking. You can also prepare a larger batch and store cooked soy chorizo in the refrigerator for up to 3 days, perfect for meal prep. Don't be afraid to get creative. It's wonderfully versatile. We hope you enjoy cooking with this delicious plant-based staple.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.